Hello guys, welcome back. We are very close to the most awaited event in the week, and that is the FOMC. We're very, very close, in Australia time at least, to the FOMC, and that's going to be tomorrow, 5 a.m. in Australia time. So we're going to have the Fed interest rates decision, expected to be no changes. 99% of the market, since yesterday I've looked at it, on the CME FedWatch Tool, have been 99% priced in with no changes. So how will that interfere, and how can we trade these releases? Because if 99% of the market is already expecting something, then what should we be doing? What should we be trading when everyone already knows what's going to happen? Well, you are on the right place, my friend. And before we go any further, then please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, because it helps me, it helps you, helps everyone, helps YouTube showing that video to other people. And don't forget that today from 5 to 6 p.m. we're going to have the webinar, and I will be trading live with everyone with FinLogic's sentiment tool, free to use, no problems at all. If you don't know yet to get the link, soon I'm going to be sending a reminder on my Telegram, so join my Telegram in the description of this video, and then as soon as I start the webinar, 5 p.m. right at time, I'm going to send the link in there, and then you can join me. All right, so hopefully you've subscribed. Give thumbs up, share this content with your friends. If you have any questions, bring tonight with me or put in the comments. And then let's get to the video. Okay, let me just scratch because it's scratching a little bit. All right. So the Fed interest rates decision tonight, well, tomorrow, 5 a.m. for Australia time, is expected to have no changes. CME already expected to have no changes. The economic calendar is expecting to have no changes. Everyone is expecting to the Fed to have no changes at all. What's going to be important then about that? Well, there is a very important thing. If you've been on my webinar yesterday, you know what I'm going to talk today, right now. But basically, three major things are happening. A very, 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 very cautious approach to the inflation, because a lot of people are believing USA will get into a recession, at least a technical recession first, and then a possible recession. Second is the labor market maintains still the momentum, okay, maintain the momentum of the labor market. And third but not least, now priced in to cut less than what was priced in to cut a few months ago. So the Fed is now expected to cut less this year, right? So they were expected to cut somewhere around 75 basis points to 90 basis points. Now is expected to cut 50 to 65. So this is showing some higher for longer rates, and that's not good because population will still maintaining, higher rates for longer, and houses will be continue to cost a lot of money, and etc. That does interfere a lot into the economy and not much into the currency, because we know that the Federal Reserve, it's on an easing cycle. So therefore, they will continue to ease, but maybe not now, but they will. Investors look at the long-term game, 5 years, 10 years game. Anyways, so the Fed interest decision, it's not that important. What's going to be most important is what Jerome Powell will say about the momentum of the labor market plus the potential recession that everyone is fearing about. Because that's why gold is rising. That's why gold is going up and up and up and reaching 3,000 and 3,100, 3,200 very soon as well, I believe at least. When there is fear, there is gold buying. Okay, so that's a very simple thing that one of my mentors have taught me like years ago. Anytime people are fearing of recession, anytime people are fearing of anything, just buy gold and they will be fine. And that's gonna be like that for years and years and years. It's always gonna be like that. So what I'm most interested in is on the FOMC statement, okay? And not only on the statement, but on the conference. So 30 minutes later, 5:30 in the morning in Australia, we're gonna have the FOMC statement, the press conference, okay? And on the press conference, Jerome Powell will come and say, look, this is what we're expecting, and that's on the inflation side, and that's on the labor market. And that's exactly what I want to know. What he's saying about inflation. Is inflation sticky? Is inflation controlled? What they think about the next 3 to 4 months inflation. Second, the labor market. Will labor market continue to be very hot? Will labor market continue to be in historic lows of unemployment? How will that happen? Okay, and maybe sometimes something about Bitcoin. Most likely, someone will ask him. The gold on the FOMC press conference is on the the people that ask the question, the reporters' questions. Okay, that's the gold. That's the gold mine that we should be paying attention. Okay, so if you want to know more about, if you want to, I have more to talk. I unfortunately have limited time here, but if you want to come tonight with me 5 to 6 p.m. Join then the Telegram, and I will see you there, guys. Thank you so much. I hope to see you on tonight's webinar. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. But remember, trade with careful, because it is a very important FOMC. It's a very important day tomorrow, or in a few hours, depending where you are around the world. But yeah, use risk management. Always manage your risk, because that's what's going to save you from big losses. Okay. Thank you so much. I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. See you guys. Bye bye.